Okay, so we remove the cassette. There's a feed tyre in the cassette, but we're not going to look at that now because that's just for anti-double separation. And thanks. Up here, if we get our finger to the rear of this fixture, hang on, somewhere back there. Oh, here it is. So it's not the rear, it's actually this little plastic tab right there. We pull back on it like that, and then the unit drops down, and then we just pull it out. So just remember, that's how we found it, with the fixture looking like that, and then fit it in, and then we're going to click it back up again. And this is the little plastic tab that we've pushed backwards to unlock it, and then what we do is run a rag over those with some water, and we just get all the dust out of them. If they look worn out, like on these, you can see quite a clear tread. If you can't see a clear tread on them and they look shiny, we're going to need to replace them. So that's what we do. And then to put them back in, we just get that side up. It's a little bit of jiggling until it fits, and then we sort of, it's hard without light. Usually I run a torch up there, but anyway. And then we just click it back into place, and that's it. Done.